guys, it's Carlos from RealTeaseFishing.com. Today we're going to show you how to preserve your lobsters in case you caught so many that you can't eat them all on the first day. So if you want the lobsters to go ahead and last you months and months at a time in your freezer without getting freezer burn or drying out like they would normally in a Ziploc bag or however else you're doing it, the best way to preserve the lobsters is to make a lobster ice cube. So once you have them all cleaned out, you took off the little things, the little flaps here, you deveined them. What you're going to want to do is go to the dollar store or somewhere that sells Tupperware. Get Tupperwares like this, whatever best fits in your freezer. You're going to go ahead and stack them on up in here. As so. And then we're going to fill this up with water so the water covers the lobster and stick them in the freezer, and we'll show you that now. So once you go ahead, fill it up with water, right around to the rim, put the lid on it. We're going to go ahead and stick it in the freezer, and the end product is going to be a lobster ice cube. Basically, that's what it is. Now, what happens here, the reason why this is the best way to preserve the lobster is that the ice cube that freezes, or the water that freezes around the lobster, is going to hold and preserve the lobster inside of it. It's going to not allow the water molecules inside the actual lobster do what is called freezer burn. It's not going to allow it to dry out. So the meat will stay nice and juicy. And let's say 3 months from now, you go ahead and throw them in on your grill or you go to cook them. It's going to taste just like the day you caught it. So that's how to preserve the lobsters. Hope you guys learned something today. Check out Real Tease Fishing. And if you want to learn how to clean the lobster, check out our previous video on how to clean spiny lobster.